here's how to upgrade to the Pro plan for Remember the Milk. All right, so you're a happy user of Remember the Milk and you want to upgrade your plan and you want to know how to do that. Very easy, very simple. There's two ways to do it. To get there, you can either click this guy down here, this little milk carton, click on Upgrade to Pro, or if that's not there in your version, you can always go to the gear icon at the top right of your screen and just go down to Account Settings, and right here you have an upgrade button. So all you're going to do is just click on that, and then that's going to bring you to this screen that just goes over all the benefits of upgrading. A lot of this stuff is pretty neat. I recommend at least exploring the idea of upgrading, especially if you're already a user of Remember the Milk. Definitely worth checking that out. And considering the options for $39.99 a year, not bad. Honestly, not bad. And yeah, so all you do is click that upgrade button, fill your information, and you're good to go. Thanks for checking out this video. If you'd like to download my free Remember the Milk cheat sheet, the link is in the description below.